Welcome to the HONOR X5c channel. Today I'll show you how to adjust screen recording sound settings on the HONOR X5c Plus. So first scroll down from the top right corner, press this little gear button to open settings. In settings, scroll down to the very bottom to find the accessibility features. Here, click on screen recording. Here are the two options to adjust screen recording sound. We can enable and disable microphone sound, and also enable and disable system sound. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the HONOR X5c channel for more videos. Leave a like, leave a comment, and goodbye.